trace the broken lines, yung mga broken lines na ginawa natin dito. And then, unfold the manila paper along the A, C, and B line. And then, using a pencil, mark the trace lines placed on the other half of the manila paper. So, ita-transfer na natin yung front and back pattern. So, first, let us transfer the back pattern. We will use this. Okay, we will use first this. The result of the tracing of the front and back pattern. So, kung makikita niyo dyan, ito o yan. Yan yung front. Yan yung back. At ito yung front. Okay, so kung makikita niyo, ito ang itsura niya. Okay, so ngayon, we're going to putting seam allowances on the final pattern. So, sa pattern natin, ito, yung pattern natin na yan, lalagyan natin ng seam allowances. Kasi, kung hindi natin lalagyan ng seam allowances, masikip yung unisex shirts natin. So, kailangan dagdagan natin ng allowance. So, along the waistline, put 8 cm seam allowance. This allowance includes the garter casing and easement. So, kailangan natin maglagay dito ng 8 cm sa taas, dito sa waistline. Kasi, maglalagay tayo ng garter. Dito na, ito yung allowance para dun sa garter casing na gagawin itatahin natin. Next is along the crotch, put 3 cm allowance. So dito sa gilid 3 cm hanggang dito, 3 cm hanggang dito. Ito sa crotch hanggang dito 3 cm. Same as here, 3 cm. And dito sa pinakababa is, or along the bottom or leg, circumference is 6 cm. So as you can see, kinapos ako ng manila paper. So dapat dito sa baba is 6 cm. So 6 cm dito. Okay, 6 cm. Okay, so remember to recheck the measurements before cutting the front and back pattern. So, you should check first the measurements. Okay, measurements before cutting.